this will be the elevator at JCPenney, University Park Mall, Mishawaka, Indiana. We've got an old Dover. The older contact, unless this might be an Adams replacement button actually. There's the drop key. Here it is. And I'm probably gonna get a copyright claim. All right, let's get a cab view before we go anywhere. Dover interlock. Pretty nice elevator. Oh, completely original. 2's already selected. Here we go. Number 2, going down? Yep. Come on in. Here you go. Have a nice one. Non-compliant phone. Head back up to seal. Yeah, this is an Adams replacement button because this is the original traditional button. Go ahead and end up here. Wow, that thing closed quick. All right, and? Oh, good.